I found a very interesting Lambda calculus calculator. You can find it at this link. I will put it into the description of this video. But now let's review a little bit this nice calculator. Why I start to search for this thing? I want to play the Lambda calculus terms a little bit and implement some functions, primitive functions in the Lambda calculus. And I found that this thing is very interesting because it can allow to do beta reductions to the normal form, and also we can a very nice feature that they can do aliases here like this. So when you want to play the Lambda calculus, it's very tedious to write all the Lambda term, and here you can do this aliases and with as a construction box, and as with this aliases you can do some you can provide some more complex Lambda terms, and it provides some default aliases such as identity. Also it provides church booleans and church numerals. Okay, this means that I, for example, can write 7 here, and it will calculate me into this Lambda calculus term. Now I can define, for example, some new aliases. For example, I have some of them here. If I put the successor here, and now I have this actually successor function. I can run it with, for example, successor for 2, and as you can see, it do the following beta reduction, and I have 3 here. So of course I can do successor of the successor of 2, but here of course I need to put the parentheses, I think, because it is left associative. The application is left associative. And let's run it, and they can see that now I have the 4, okay, as expected. And so on. This means that you can define the multiplication, the values, the power function, the if expression, the church. You can use now this if expression to do some branching, and of course you can do check for 0, check predecessor function, and of course the y combinator, okay, to provide some recursive functions.